Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to the channel Anna Vanila Arts, where I share everything that I know, everything that I've learned throughout the years, and I share with you with drawing, with knitting, crocheting, knotting, everything that I can do I share with you on my channel Anna Vanila Arts. And there I bring in a lot of free patterns, unique patterns that you can't find anywhere else, and hopefully you're going to like it enough to make a garment yourself. So the first loop, so 75 stitches, 75 loops on my needles number 5, and the first loop we need a purl stitch. This will going to be a beret, stretch band for beret, and then the second one we just pick it up with the needle without actually stretching, without knitting. So we need the purl stitch, and then we just get the second front stitch onto the needle without knitting it. Purl stitch, grab, purl stitch, we grab the front yarn, front stitch, like so. It's easy to do, and this way it will not stretch too much after washing it, after looking after this beret. It will not going to stretch too much. I have shown you how to do the first row, and the second row what we do is we knit the loops how we see them. So if it's a front stitch, we knit with a front stitch. If it's a purl stitch, with a purl stitch, and so on. Front stitch, purl stitch, front stitch, purl stitch, front stitch, purl stitch, and so on. And we need 5 centimeters this stretch band for the head. After we've knitted the stretch band for the beret, this is how the pattern that you are going to knit looks like. It's in a chest position again, so it's not one over the other, but like a honeycomb position. And this is how the pattern looks like. The first one we just grab with a front needle with a right needle, then we count 1, 2. So after the 2 loops we put through the needle like so. We grab the yarn from behind, we grab it to the front, And then these two loops, we knit them together like so. So we do the same, 1, 2, we grab the yarn over the 2 loops here, and then these 2 loops we knit with a front stitch like this, 1, 2, and we grab the yarn and then we knit it like so. It's very easy to do, it's not difficult. I hope you can master it. I hope I explained easy for you to understand, hopefully. And this is how we do this row. Now when we continue this beret, knitting the beret, second row, what we do, we knit all of the loops, absolutely everything, with a purl stitch like so. It's very easy. Until the end of this row. Now we knit in a chest position, so the first loop we never ever knit. So the first loop that we knit is with a front stitch, then we do the same, we grab the yarn after the two loops and we knit it with a front stitch, 1, 2, yarn from behind, and we knit these two together like this. Like we've done it in the first row. This was the third row where we make from 2, 2. From 2 loops, 2 loops. Now fourth row we knit the same way as we've done it before, where we knit everything as a purl stitch. Absolutely everything with a purl stitch. Is very simple, very easy to do, easy to memorize. So you do this until the end of this row, and then you repeat all over again, and you'll be able to make this hat, this beret hat for yourself, and enjoy using it with pleasure and having something unique to be proud of wearing it. It's fantastic when you can do things on your own, and original items like this one, because nobody else on any other channel would have patterns like I do. My patterns are absolutely unique, so you are welcome to use them. Hello again, beautiful people. This is the finished beret. This is how the beret looks finished. You see the stretch band is nicely done. The pattern itself is not complicated, and as you can see, the top bit looks like a beret, a circular, perfect circular beret, and it's knitted with cotton yarn, so it's breathable, it's good for summertime, and I think it looks fantastic. I think the hat looks successfully done. I think it turned out quite nicely. Next things to do about this hat is to try it on, to wear it. I'm going to wear it soon on my other channel, Anna Vanila main channel, where I'm going to wear all my hats and I'm going to do videos for you. And I think it's fantastic. I love this hat. I've made it on purpose a bit bigger so that it looks more like a beret rather than just a hat. I like to tie my hair into like a bun, and a hat like this would just fit nicely on my head even if I had the hair done. So I think it's great. The pattern looks great, it's tactile, it's fantastic, I love it. On the back I've stitched nicely from here. I've stitched nicely on the front of a hat with this little needle, green needle, which is made of plastic, and I've done a careful job. I have hidden all the odds and ends and yarns, everything in here. You see fluffy bit here. So when you wear it, you wear this stitching at the back. All in all, this hat I think is beautiful. I love it. I hope you love it too. Please leave comments below if you like it, and please send to me your artworks. If you happen to need such a hat, such a beret for me to, it will be a great pleasure to see how it turned out for you. And I think it's fantastic. It's for a bigger size head. The hat itself looks like a beret, which I'm happy about it, and it will be quite loose on the head. It should fit any hairdo, updo that you may do, that you may make. The stretchy band looks fantastic. I love it. It's easy to make. I've done front stitches on the top, and as you can see, it's beautiful. I love it so much. I hope you love it too. Please subscribe. I am Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel, Anna Vanila Arts, and hopefully we can learn together a lot of new things. Thank you very much. Bye.